Is English your first language?
What?
Was English your first language?
You're an asshole.
Sorry, I just noticed you struggling.
People hurt people, so I just hurt him a lot, so now he's attacking me.
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna lie, Ray. You're fine. I like this out of you.
finally walked out.
I'm learning.
I like this out of Ray. She's feisty.
I cooked you breakfast. What's a couple jokes to a breakfast?
He did make us breakfast.
And it was good.
That's a total man.
He did fuck up our pan.
I know. They do the bare minimum, and then he's like, I literally missed breakfast. I mean, I would do it.
You're like a toxic man.
I'm not a toxic man.
Oh, you are. Yeah, no, you're.
Man?
Yeah, Sarah. I'm not.
You're like a frat guy.